Believe it or not, we're about to start flipping peanuts. About to start the first part of the peanut harvest process. It's like this year has really flown by. I really can't believe it's already here, but like they say, when you're having fun, it really does fly. So I'm gonna get these diggers set up and I'll check back in. Most tractors are running now. Got them both set up. Got little brother Gray on that one. He's who was running the combine. Yep, now it's just a long process. There's nothing fast about this. Well, I said that wrong. Spraying's pretty fast, but that's it. The planting ain't fast. The digging definitely ain't fast, and the combine is probably the slowest of it all. But yep, we're going good. I think we'll actually start defoliating some cotton here probably end of next week. I think today's Thursday. Yeah, I think it's Thursday. It's either Wednesday or Thursday. It's Thursday. So yeah, probably next Friday. Probably be around defoliation on the cotton. And I generally like a week and a half to 2 weeks on dry down time before we harvest these peanuts. Gives them a good chance to actually get dry and run through the combine a lot easier. So we'll see where that is, because given the conditions, sometimes the weather helps dry them down a little bit faster. Sometimes when it's cool and cloudy like this, it takes a little bit longer generally. You got Remy. As hectic as it's been, I've managed to get y'all a little bit of footage of this peanut digging process. We're running 3 tractors, 3 diggers, 2 KMCs, 1 Amatis. We've had a little bit of issues with dry dirt. It hasn't rained, I'd say, for 3.5 weeks now. Still not expecting any for the next 2. So it's a little bit hard on these diggers to go in the ground. We go through a set of blades quite often. So it is what it is. We've dealt with it before. But this should be the last day of digging. They're over there putting a set of blades on their 2 diggers right now. So that's just a little update for y'all. That'll be it for digging. Got Grayson over there in that back corner. I don't know if y'all be able to see him, and my uncle right there. I'm finishing up these inroads, and that'll be it. So we'll see y'all on the peanut combine. And just like that, peanut harvest has began. We got Uncle over there running the KMC. Got Grayson on the cart tractor. We just opened in, got the combines dialed in. I know y'all probably wondering why I'm missing all that. I switched this tractor over from Trimble to Green Star, and I had to unplug 2 sim plugs down there, and it's just only for temporary purposes, so I got to put all that back together and plug the sim plugs back in. Once my Trimble screen comes in, it stopped responding to touch. Just one of those things happen. So get that back, and I'll put it back together, which I really like the Green Star on this tractor. It's really by far been super easy to run, and I'm thinking about just getting a whole system for this one, just a screen and a globe and letting it rock and roll like that. But only time will tell. But we're going good. It's a little bit green, which we dug these Thursday before last Thursday, and it's Sunday now, so they've had a little bit of time to dry. Finished all the digging, which I showed y'all earlier, so got these set up and going. We're just kind of testing them today, and then we'll hit them hard tomorrow. Got Gray here. is our last field of peanuts. He's over here trying to be a photographer. Well, y'all, here we are. Last field of 2025 peanut harvest. Got Gray here, the cart operator. What do you think about it? How's this season been, Gray?
A lot of breakdowns.
Yeah, we've had a couple issues, but we've kind of got them sorted to get us through this last bit today. So. Well, gee, to me it is. Y'all, it was probably like 2 seconds ago. But here we are in the picture on our last 50 acres. Ain't that right? Dad's been running it just about all year, so I've had very minimal run time. We're not the best at cotton right now. We had a lot of drought issues over here, but it's still doing fair. Overall, I'm pleased with it considering the amount of rain it received this year. My older brother, he's on the bell spike. My uncle is on the stalk mower, and my little brother is on the stalk puller. He's pulling some stalks on the ground that's going to be corn and peanuts next year, and then we're just mowing what's going to be cotton again. But yep, we're rocking right on along. Figured I'd give y'all an update. Today we're going to be cutting some beans. We got Grayson in the combine, about to move this header to the field. My dad, he's on the baler picker. My uncle is on the stalk puller. And my other brother, he is moving the round bales. So we've got quite a bit going on. Let's get to it and get on with this harvest. So let's get this header hooked up. He's already got the top unfolding, and we will get into this bean field. Don't have high hopes. We have a lot of deer pressure on this backfield. It's only like 10, 11 acres, so not expecting a crazy yield, but there should be something out here. Let's see if he can get it on the first try. Not too bad for his first time. Let's get the hydraulics and the PTO hooked up and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So we're rolling good now. We're on our second day. We had a lot of movement yesterday, a lot of small fields, but we finally made it to some larger fields. Cutting these diamond planted beans. I don't really know if I did a video on those or not. Kind of got busy with a lot of things. Grayson's been running it. I just wanted to run it a little bit today while waiting to fill up a truck. How'd you feel about running it?
Just a lot more to look at than the corn did.
Yeah, but he's got it down pretty good. He's really good with the header trailer, so that's a plus. But I think we have maybe actually like two more days. We didn't plant a lot of beans this year, and we kind of doubled down on the cotton, so we should have them knocked out soon. And I think we'll have probably another week or two on the cotton, maybe some custom work lined up. So we'll keep getting after it. Maybe Grayson will hook us up with some footage with the drone. Well, that's a wrap on the 2025 soybean crop we just finished out here. Look at this dog. Yeah, it was a little wet. We're on the bottom land, so this is all I had to finish. And it was like 3 acres, so I don't mind a little bit of ruts. Grayson can disc them. So, but yep, we finished up. So let's go get in the cotton picker. Well, we're at the field. Did a lot last night. I don't know how well it picks up with the sun shining directly at us, but there's a good amount of bells there. One of the last, I think, 40 acres of it today. Got the drone here. Might do some time-lapse stuff, but I don't know. Just had to play it by ear. I didn't admire the large gaps in the ductwork, because that's just what makes your day wonderful. So let's get this thing cranked up and warmed up and get some water in it. I have 150 gallons of water. Ooh, that might be a problem. Hopefully they brought the water wagon. So